Hi guys, this is Trevor from Botany, and today is potting day. So we're gonna see how to create the perfect soil for plants in containers. Because this soil is completely different from the one you will find in your garden. You don't have those microorganisms, that biodiversity that creates, the rich soil from outside. So let's see how to pot those plants inside in small containers. Okay, so let's look at it. The process is actually quite simple. I have a few plants here to repot, including those babies who are grapefruits. I just ate the fruit and planted the seed, and look at that. It's quite amazing how they grew inside my apartment. I also have this little guy who is a grapevine, a Pinot Meunier, that I got in order to illustrate my next wine botany classes. Isn't it cute? So now, in order to create the soil, the process, as I said, is quite simple. You want to put one part of potting soil. I chose here various organic potting soils. So you want to give the structure to the soil. You also want to have proper drainage and the water to circulate freely among the soil. So I use some perlite, which is the stone that you incorporate to the soil. I also add some peat moss, which is designed to retain some moisture, so you don't have to water your plants all the time, and it keeps a proper moisture all day long. And I add as well a little bit of fertilizer, this planktone here, that helps nourishing the plant. So I just put one part of each, one part of potting soil, one part of perlite, one part of peat moss, and a little bit of planktone. And I just mixed everything over here, and I got the perfect soil to plant the plants. Okay, so now I'm gonna have fun to plant those little guys. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and drink wisely. Cheers!